This tool can help you to adjust the heating platen position and also to check if the electric motor can work perfect or not. So this video I will guide you how to do. Before we turn on the machine, you can check. Here have 4 points. The first one I will show you later, and you can see here have different values. Sorry, different letters. The first one, red color, is B. It is the brake of the electric motor. So later I will also show you. And here, the down and the up. You can press these two to adjust the heating platen. So right now we can first to take out the controller box and separate these two parts. Okay, and one end to connect here, and this one connect to the first two on the controller board. Okay, it will be like this. Don't forget this is the single station. Okay, and then turn on the machine, and we can use here to adjust the heating platen position. First, let's hear the voice of the brake. Yes, when you press it, you will hear one voice from the motor. Yes, that means the motor is loose. Before you use the up and down, you just press this one time. 按一下. Yes, and after you press this one, you can adjust the height by here. Loose it, and you can hold the buttons to adjust it by little or a long distance. Like we press the up button, so it can go up, and when we press the down, it will go down. So you can adjust the height here. So to find a better position to change the electric motors. Okay, so hope this video help you a lot.